A buddy of mine by the name of Tom Roche is a graphic artist. He does awesome work. He did the pinstriping on the Blue Diamond. There's old Waylon. Yeah. He did this. I love the barbed wire. All the little, you know, he got the swept line filled in. Just all the detail. He's just good. I'll show you the hood. And then I'll tell you why. Or show you why. And then I'm showing you this. He even put some on the dash, which I thought was just a nice touch. So I always just give him artistic license. And tell him to go for it. And he did. And he did awesome. He wanted a picture of Bernice. So I sent him a picture of Bernice. And this is what he did. Always goes the extra mile. Added a little something there. Put the flames on it, which I love. A little closer look here. Bernice, she's hitchhiking. And I sent him pictures of some decals. They have decals like those shark teeth, but they get cut off on the bottom, and he wrapped it all the way around. That's just the kind of work he does. It's awesome. And this is going to go, that old guy over there is going to be moved, and this is going to mount on that pole hanging below, it'll mount upright hanging below that Texaco sign. Yes, sirree.
The ability to sense prospect reaction to certain features and to highlight those in which he displays a particular interest. An attitude of friendliness and helpfulness toward the prospect. A touch of showmanship. The ability to present Rambler features and benefits in a dramatic yet convincing way. With these fundamentals, and with the Rambler family of fine cars, and with the knowledge that the public wants compact cars at operating costs they can afford, and with a certain knowledge that Rambler has the edge on the automotive world with the best of both, 1959 is certain to be the best sales year you've ever had.
Well, let's see, we're over here in Anacortes today. This is my friend Bob. We used to call him Invisible Bob because he never showed up in the videos when we went to the when we went to the 100-car pileup. You know, I realized that was back in 2010. We're looking at his Rambler Ambassador, 59 Rambler Ambassador, and it's pretty nice. It's straight down both sides. No dings or dents. All original. It's this horrible pink color, but I'm sure they called it rose or something.
Yeah, it is a rose.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll try that here in a minute.
Yeah.
It's got the Continental kit in the back. Pretty neat. The antenna in the center there, and I was noticing it's dusty sitting in here, but I was noticing that the package tray is not cracked, and then I realized it's made out of metal, so they fixed that problem.
Yeah.
And this door, look, see how it closes. It's just tight, original upholstery, and wouldn't you know, my phone's ringing. Okay. I was talking about the interior on this thing. It's all original. Look at the door panels on this thing. The seats, no tears, no rips. Well, the seats are in good shape, aren't they, Bob?
Yeah.
Bob's trying to get the hood open up there. I'm going to help him here in a second, but
Oh, that's all right.
I'm gonna show him. I'm gonna show the people the dash and this front seat's Got an adjustment here to adjust the seat backs, and the 50-50 split so the passenger can lean back and be comfortable. I think the seats lay down in this thing.
It does.
Yeah, so you can sleep in them.
Yeah.
That's how they made them. Yeah. And it's kind of dark in here, but you can see the dash. And the controls here is push button automatic. And this happens to be a V8 car. Bob's thinking they didn't make a whole lot of them, but I was just reading on the internet about them. They said they punched out their 250 V8 and made a 327. And this is some original equipment here, this little netting, little catch trap there for your sunglasses and maps, and it's kind of come out of the headliner there, but that was some original equipment. Yeah, 59 Rambler Ambassador, and I'll show the other side. It's nice and straight. And we'll see if that hood's going to open. I don't know. The wind's blowing, so I'll turn this off for now. Well, this is the Rambler 327, and Bob's going to go get the key, and because he done hooked the battery, so maybe it'll start up. It's funny, the old stuff, the way they did things. There's the old window washer bag back there. American Motors Corporation. Got the serial number. So 327 cubic inch. Bob was thinking they didn't make too many V8s, maybe. Oh, and it's got 66,000 miles on it. Almost 67. Wish I had a little better light, but that's okay. You guys will get the idea. His health doesn't allow him to do the things he wants to do and used to do, and a lot of us know kind of what that's like. But anyway, thought you guys might enjoy seeing this thing. I sure like it. It's a horrible, ugly color, but I like it. It's got a little black top here. It's kind of, I don't know, paint kind of, or something kind of bubbling up on it here. It looks like a clear, it must have a clear on it or something. The clear's kind of chipping. But I don't see any body damage on it. Be pretty if it's all washed up, waxed up. Okay, rooster's crowing, time to get up. It's coming. Gas is coming. There we go. Twin pipes. It sounds kind of cool. It's still cold. It don't want to idle yet. That's all right. Push button starter, Bob?
Yeah.
All right.
And then
Push
drive.
button automatic, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I did not know Rambler did that. I know Chrysler products did, but I didn't know Rambler did that. And the Edsel had them up in here, in the steering wheel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Some of them anyway.
Yeah. When I first got it, one of these was stuck a little bit down or something, and I took that cover off.
Yeah.
Man, I had to line all those up back
Oh,
to those holes,
yeah.
holding that chrome thing in my hand.
Yeah. Well, it sounds good.
I think the speed Bobby played was adjusting it, and I think
Yeah.
it could be.
Set the idles a little bit low.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's fine. You can turn it off. I just wanted to hear it run.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Okay. 59 Rambler Ambassador.
It's real low profile to get into things.
Yeah. Yeah. Hard for us fat old men to get in and out of them, isn't it? Yeah, I understand. My Impala's that way. You're almost sitting on the ground, you know, when you drive. It's like like a go-kart. Right. If it was slid all the way up, then that would fold down. And
Yeah.
my old Nash Statesman had a little lever. Yeah, no, I see it on the seat there where it rests. Little metal thing right there.
Okay, yeah.
And it just lays on that. So yeah. All right. Guess that's it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, you just have to relax when you drive this car. This is the 1927 Dodge Brothers car. I don't think it's for sale yet. Look at these solid wheels. It's pretty cool. Suicide doors. Buggy seats, front and rear. Look at all the space, and that's like a limousine back there. Wooden steering wheel. Battery in the floor. Look at all that leg room. Huh. Got that old, not the new car smell, that old car smell. But it doesn't smell like mice or anything. It smells like old leather. It's got the, I guess it wasn't vinyl canvas, I guess canvas top on it. Seems to be in good shape. He's got it covered up. Little 4-blade fan. Bob's got some cool stuff. A little Rambler wagon, or Nash wagon. I guess it was a Nash. Yeah. This is Bob's Pacer pickup that he built. He made this. He cut this all down and did a nice job making this.
I'm happy with it.
Oh yeah, that turned out great. Put that bed liner stuff in there. And
I just can't get it
Yeah. Built a cool bumper out of horseshoes and old wrenches.
Yeah. Back seat.
On there. Oh yeah, I forgot about the back seats. Yeah, there's the back seats. Slide by you here, I don't want to crush your leg.
Yeah, okay.
There we go.
It's
Pump.
got an automatic choke thing.
Oh yeah. Just put my hand over the breather, fired right up. Well, listen to that thing purr. Now that's the Rambler engine, isn't it? That's the Rambler engine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or I mean the Pacer. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. That guy did a good job on the paint.
Yeah.
Looks real good. Yeah. I think this is Bob's baby here. You gonna let it run a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. An interesting feature on these Pacers Bob and I were just talking about is the passenger door was 4 inches, wasn't it? 4 inches, 3 inches longer than the driver's side door. So you can put your groceries in. Kids in the back seat. Yeah, yeah. That's funny, the doors are 2 different lengths on it. You don't even know your own strength. Got baby on there. Thanks for watching, y'all. I sure do appreciate you. Not very heavy. It's just kind of awkward. Tom said he almost put a tattoo on her leg that said Kerwood with a heart and an arrow through it. I said, man, I wish you had him. He goes, that's going too far. Anyway, I think it would have been just right.